Welcome back, Disney fans. Planning a magical trip to Disneyland on a budget? We've got you covered. In today's video, we're exploring the best budget and family-friendly hotels near Disneyland. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Best Western Plus Stovall's Inn. Located just a 15-minute walk from Disneyland, this hotel offers great value for families. With amenities like free breakfast, a heated outdoor pool, and free Wi-Fi, it's perfect for a comfortable stay. Rooms here typically range from $130 to $180 per night, making it an excellent budget-friendly choice. Next, we have the Howard Johnson Anaheim Hotel and Water Playground. This hotel is about an 8-minute walk from Disneyland and is a hit with kids, thanks to its fun water playground. The hotel also offers free Wi-Fi and parking. Prices here range from $150 to $200 per night, which is a great deal considering the fantastic amenities. Another excellent choice is Castle Inn and Suites. Located just a 10-minute walk from Disneyland, this hotel offers spacious family suites, an outdoor pool, and free Wi-Fi. Rooms here typically cost between $120 and $170 per night, making it a great option for families on a budget. Finally, we have the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel. This hotel is about a 5-minute drive from Disneyland and offers a free shuttle service to the park. With a beautiful garden, an outdoor pool, and on-site dining options, it's a great value. Prices here range from $140 to $190 per night, and the free shuttle makes it super convenient for families. Here are some other budget-friendly hotels near Disneyland that offer good value for money. Fairfield Inn by Marriott Anaheim Resort. Situated close to Disneyland, this hotel provides comfortable accommodations and family-friendly amenities at a reasonable price. Motel 6 Anaheim Main Gate, a budget-friendly option with basic amenities, located close to Disneyland. Anaheim Hotel, an affordable mid-century modern hotel within walking distance to Disneyland, offering various amenities and services. Days Inn and Suites by Wyndham Anaheim at Disneyland Park, a budget hotel with complimentary breakfast and shuttle service to Disneyland. Now let's talk about where to find these great deals. Here are some websites you can use to book your stay. 1. Getaway Today is the #1 provider of discount Disneyland family vacations. 2. Booking.com, a popular choice with great filters to find family-friendly hotels. 3. Expedia.com, offers bundled deals and member discounts. 4. Hotels.com, rewards program gives you a free night after 10 stays. 5. Kayak.com, great for comparing prices across multiple sites. 6. Trivago.com, excellent for price comparisons and finding the best deals. 7. CostcoTravel.com, offers everyday savings on top-quality brand-name vacations, hotels, cruises, rental cars, exclusively for Costco members. There you have it, folks. Some fantastic budget and family-friendly hotels near Disneyland. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and booking options. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Disney tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Have a magical trip. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy travels.